Hello and welcome. In this video, you will learn what the ketogenic way of eating is, what benefits it will give you, what challenges you may face, and what foods to eat and avoid. In this video, I'm going to answer all these questions. So please keep watching to discover everything to know about this magic formula in this video, but before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. This little action really supports us so much and motivates us to produce more and helpful contents for you. Would you like to know exactly what you should eat to lose weight without giving up your favorite food or starving yourself? And you make sure that the keto diet is right for you or not, so click on the link in the description and consult our support to get a customized plan for your keto diet. And get the deliciously easy keto recipes book as a gift. And now let's see the rest of the video. Are you feeling stuck and needing some extra inspiration? I'm here to help with my free 7-day clean keto meal plan. This guide includes 7 full days of meal ideas that are all paleo and keto compliant. Further, I have included my must-have kitchen gadgets and snack links that are sure to set you up for a successful week. I'm hopeful that this guide will take the stress off and help set you up on the right track. Monday, steak salad. Steak salad with veggies and dressing. Tuesday, mini taco meatloaf muffins. Side dish ideas for this recipe: your favorite steamed veggie side salad. Wednesday, bang bang shrimp salad. Side dish ideas for this recipe: steamed veggies or side salad. Thursday, rotel chicken spaghetti squash casserole. Side dish ideas for this recipe: broccoli, green beans, or a side salad. Friday, garlic steak bites. Side dish ideas for this recipe: broccoli, cauliflower mash, green beans, or even top over a salad. Saturday, air fryer shrimp. Side dish ideas for this recipe: coleslaw, or a loaded side salad. Sunday, Asian lettuce wraps. Side dish ideas: I usually don't serve these with a side. But if you feel like you will need a little more, you can serve the meat mixture over cauliflower rice with an extra side of veggies. Breakfast ideas for the week: steak and caramelized onion frittata. Egg and cauliflower grits. Bone broth and avocado. 2 boiled eggs with a beef stick and blueberries. Scrambled eggs with bacon. Bulletproof coffee. Lunch ideas for the week: loaded salad with grilled chicken and my homemade ranch. Turkey club lettuce wraps. Grilled protein of choice with steamed veggies. Dinner leftovers. Frittatas. Turkey meatballs inside salad or steamed veggies. Meal prep outline. Meal prep is key to having a successful and less stressful week. Below are a few items you can prep on Sunday that will you tons of time during the week. Cook 4 to 5 chicken breast, can use for the rotel chicken casserole or salads during the week. Steak and onion frittata. Clean all fruit and vegetables. Meatloaf muffins, pre-cook these and add to the fridge. Simply heat up and add toppings when ready. Boil a half dozen of eggs to have on hand for an easy grab and go breakfast or snack. It's a valuable investment that you have ever made in your life. Get your clean keto meal plan, week 1, today. Click the link in the description to start right now. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video, and if you have any question, please go ahead, let me know by leaving a comment below right now.